Oh, it's about to end anyway. This is my favorite song off the Binding of Isaac album. Oh, hello, Extra Xavier. I guess I'll... Oh, there it goes. It fizzles out. Oh, right in time. Right in time. Miss Philip. Oh, no. Yeah, it came right in... Here, let me switch over to the, Let me switch over to the... To the... To the... To the artifice. To the location. To the... I guess first monitor, like, is... Well, it's my first monitor. Although, at this point, I do stare at the second monitor probably a bit more because that's the one that Firefox is on. And I like, oh, this is my focus monitor. This is my I'm getting shit done monitor. And then I look at things on Firefox, and I'm just like, yes. There's funny activity on the internet. There is, what do they call it? Blue Sky. There is Twitter. There's, you know, Hot Tua. There's potentially Skibbity Toilet in Fortnite. No, it's Hatsune Miku now. Uh, oh, let me say hi to everybody. Hello, Kokoopsi. Hello, A Squared. Hello, Tayumisi. Hello, Exor Xavier. Hello all. Hello, Ben Boot Dev, Etsy, Home, Lib64 Mount, Op, Packageless.8 or x8664.tech, Plastic Proc, Root Run, SBin Server, Sys, Temp, User Var version. It goes on and on and on. This is rather this is rather cool. I like this a lot. oscalc.exe, osclang.v. Oh god, I have enthralled by the activities. But yes, A-Squared, you have not only a title, you have the image representation of it as well as a worm between brackets, you know. Although the title itself is Wormbane, this is worm between the brackets because I was like, that will be many things. It'll be many objects. So we've there's no dead worm emoji. This is quite literally the case. If there were a dead worm, speaking of worm, I don't know if I forgot to update the title before this, but I don't know how the titles render or whatever. But we are post worm. We are post worm recovery kind of situation. This was the title. Oh god. It triggered one of the commands. Oops. Okay. Ignore that. Ignore the automatic form. Myself an automatic form there. I should give that one. I should give that one like its own little icon so that I know it's not me. And that I'm like, how'd I type twice? But yeah, we're post worm. We're in a this is actually Pac-Man V. Oh, this is exciting. Butterfly. This is oh god. We have Pac-Man. We have Pac-Man. We have what is it people say? We have Pac-Man at home. The Pac-Man at home. Kind of those jokes. I forgot. We probably need to add this. Like this is kind of like a top of the thing. Close. We are now not pod t post worm society. I guess the question is, oh, hold on, let me shift my keyboard. Okay. What does it mean to be post worm? This is kind of philosophical pondering to some degree, but I think I already know the answer. Like, I think this one's kind of a bit more of a no-brainer than it looks like. You know, if the opposite of worm is morale, then post worm is inevitably morale, and post morale is worm. It is what do they call them? Like the cycles of the universe, or or what have you, as they say, the Big Bang, and then things expand or like contract back into each other, rubber band style. Although I think this theory has been disproven, right? What's it called? Big Crunch. Big Crunch? Yeah. Yes. I think this is the one. I'm pretty sure that this is at this point a this like not if not debunked, like a very undersupported theory at this point. Ooh, they have animations. Yeah, yeah, this is it's kind of where we're at right now, you know, like hop on the big crunch, hop on the big crunch. But what the hell? Ultimate fate of the universe. The ultimate fate of the universe is a topic in physical cosmology whose theoretical restrictions allow possible scenarios for the evolution and ultimate fate of the universe to be described and evaluated. Based on available observational evidence, deciding the fate and evolution of the universe has become a valid cosmological question, being beyond the mostly untestable constraints of mythological or theological beliefs. It's, I, this is, oh god, I used to be so into this stuff. Anyway, this is, I think the universe will just be happy. You see, this is what I think. Um, it's such a big world out there, you know. People are like, oh, nothing matters. The sun's going to explode in like a million years or whatever. I'm just like, well, that may be true, but I was not here a million years ago, and I won't be here a million years into the future. We are we are vibing in the here and now, as they say. But I used to be really into oh yeah, I used to be really into this stuff. I will not get too into it again, because then I will just start reading physics the whole time. It is it was quite fun. It was quite fun. It gets very, I feel like it gets I could just be happy. Yeah, it gets very. I think it. I you see. I always Hi, Big Book of Bug Fraud. I will be lurking. Hello, Kinski and Plug, and thank you for the lurk. I am. I am not. I am not fraudulent. We're post worm is where we are. We are living post worm style. But yeah, I did. I guess before we jump into it, there were a couple things. The first one was just as those who were here last time may recall, there were issues with getting Joel to work, and I found out the source of the I need to update this to 3 because there was a third occurrence in the midst of writing this. But yeah, I got it to work. Turns out the issue was that I was overriding my Wayland environment with a environment variable that meant nothing, and I had that in my Emacs configuration because I needed it for something, and then I forgot. Then I forgot it was in there, and so it was like, oh, I can't find Wayland. Where the hell am I? So this was happening. So I could not launch anything from the GUI, which was sad. And so yeah, it was kind of wild. That and Mason build system preventing LibreCube script from being built. We in fact did get this going. Like if we go to cd dot, can we one more cd? Did I build it already? Yeah. Can I build? What's in the build directory actually? What do we have in here? Compile commands.json. Alright. Commands dot hello. Are you a file? Oh, we're not in the build directory. That's why. That's why we are up a couple. So we would do. Let's do readme.md. All right. Readme.md. So like I can actually cap files using this now. The errors I was running into were because I had the initial error, I think, and then like two more, but I was forgetting to delete the build between builds, and so it was reading the false build, the build of lies, the it was oh, this is bin.sh set v sudo pacman sy vulkan headers libx11. Oh, this is no confirm. Okay, this is the no confirm is terrifying. But yeah, it worked. So that was kind of like the first like, oh, I should have just done that. The second was getting the environment variables out of into directory tab completion. I've been saying this. I've been saying this. I have typed a I no what I end up doing in Twitch, I think, is the chat box will capture my input and I won't know it, and so then I'll just send a bunch of things like like this or this perhaps, trying to like move tabs, like just trying to like move to a new tab, and I'm just like, why the hell is it not working? Uh, Also, I'm really scared of what Experta's cooking. She's taking far too long. Oh, this is exciting. I wait with anticipation. This is exciting. Oh, internet problems. Oh, that's not as exciting. This is frustration. This is terror. The terror of internet. But yeah, I got that. I got that like um, Jenga set up being its normal self. I do know this all too well, but not with internet, just with everything else. Oh, you see, my internet setup is rather simple. I have probably about 3 or 4 wires running out of my room. 3 of those are 100-foot long Ethernet cables that run all the way to the router on the opposite side of the apartment. Wires indeed. It's rather exciting, and they kept falling, so I ended up having to tie them all together, and now they hang Christmas light style. Uh, yeah, I just plug them into the router, like nice and simple. Uh, it is rather nice. I think about since like the way they're set up, I think about like setting up like Christmas lights along them too, like what are they, like fairy lights or whatever? I think that's what they're called, right? Have I? You have once, I believe. I vaguely remember this. Like I remember it being like a series of like wait, router Wi-Fi. Yes, this. I do remember this. I do recall this. I'm kind of in router hell right now. Unfortunately, which is I don't really the router is not one of my own possession, and I do not have access to the account information. But this shall all change post move Texas saga once that happens. But yeah, I don't know. Internet is rather whack, and there's I have the dual issue of I can't just Wi-Fi because can I tab clone? I mean I can, but hardware considerations, I can bypass this, but if we look at one of the main areas where free drivers or firmware are lacking is Wi-Fi devices. Wi-Fi devices known to work include those using a Theros chip, um, which corresponds with blah 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 Linux Libre driver. That's kind of F9K. This is kind of actually formidable. I like that F9K, which corresponds to the B43 Open Linux Libre driver. Free firmware exists for both and is available out the box on the Geek system as part of base firmware. I lack these drivers. And they run Respect Your Freedom, right? the problem I think would be accessing some of these for like this. If I go to the product page, can I have price? Can I have price? Yeah, they don't even list the price. It's rather um, I don't. Geeks is rather formidable whenever it comes to the to the Wi-Fi situation. But yeah, this is all a, I guess, round or yeah, like this is all a bit of a roundabout way to say that I realized with the Joel setup that I could just use MPV for this, and so I did end up just using MPV for this. Like I can just oh wait, no, this has to be updated because I'm not using MPV anymore unless what am I using again? Where do we live now? Where do we live? This all happened in the span of like 10 minutes before stream begins. So this is rather new actually. So new I forgot that it was in there. Okay, shell dot Haskell. Oh, we're using GIF for Cly. Okay, okay, or GIF for Cly, GIF for Cly. Yeah, that's how I found this. ASCII me. Yeah, someone is using this to put anime in the client as ASCII art. I was looking for like images or source, but I could not find anything like that. But I don't know. I may look at this because like the problem is again we do not have that. Like if we search ASCII, nothing. What if we do anime? Alright, geek search anime. Alright, Anacly. We have the lane wire. Wait, Emacs Moe theme? Wait. What does this look like? Wait, what does this look like? What does this look like? Alright, there. But yeah, I don't think that we have the... Yeah, the rest of these are capturing the word accompaniment and anime, which is rather rather I don't know, rather bad, I guess. I get or rather not bad, but like rather weird like way to search something. It does not seem to have worked. It does not seem to have worked. Oh, this looks like a terrifying yeah, indeed, indeed. What um to do networking. This is this is what they mean by networking. All right, but yes, this is like that's all out of the way. The main thing now is the what are we doing? And today is a bit of a lisp on the JVM day, a lisp on the JVM day, which means that we have to which means that what we have to do is let me grab it. Let me grab the artifact. Let me grab the artifact. It is this one. Yes. It is going WebSocket mode. It's going Lisp on the JVM WebSocket mode to I don't at least make a bit more of a dent in the event sub stuff. I think I did enough of it that we're not going to I'm not going to have to display any tokens or anything like that. I think I got it just enough that I'm not going to just be like pasting like tokens around, which is nice. But yeah, we have to hop into bug socks for this. This is the the grand the grand locale of bug socks. And then do we have? I haven't looked at this in a while. What were we doing last? Oh, cool! I took notes. Okay, okay, that's very. Can we turn off frames only mode? Oopsie, I forgot to mount dev :3. All right, where were we? Where? Yeah, so I think this mostly works to get the actual like event, the actual like event sub like setup. Let's open up a cider. Like, can we cider jack and closure? We're jacking into the closure. Okay, okay. And can we put that here? Can we cider? Do you work? Do you work? Okay, you work. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. So I think that a lot of this is like if we look at this, we have um the device registration here, which how do you work? How do you work? Oh no, we're already doing. We don't need this. I don't think. This was from the past. This was from the past. This was from I think attempt number 1. So we put that there. So this is just for connecting to the WebSocket or the pub sub, I believe. I don't think that we're going to be using the pub sub for any of this, but after that, it's just kind of like a process of actually getting the or connecting and getting the event. Which means the first. Oh, we're pinging now. Oh, we're pinging. Oh, this is. I feel like I'm watching a drama unfold now. This is exciting. This is exciting. But yeah, I think that what needs to happen is for this, because what we're doing right now is going into the like connecting and immediately going into the decode event and entering a loop from which we shall never we shall never be able to like get out of without or like make modifications to it. Which means that where are we grabbing this from? Hatto. So I think that's the first step is just get the actual like Hatto documentation up really quick. Tab clone and Hatto closure. Alright, here we go. I like that name, Hatto. I like it. Hatto? I don't know how you say it. Can we WebSockets? WebSockets? Invalid argument. Alright, let's see. Do we have to dereference this? I mean... Oh, I am dereferencing it. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I'm remembering now. I think that what we need is... We have on message there, and then we have... What we need to figure out is how with handling the WebSocket, how we have the probably the revocation message is something that we want, or not revocation. We want where's the kill? How do we kill? How do we kill? Our reconnect message is sent if the edge server and that client or that the client is connected to needs to be swapped. This message is sent 30 seconds prior to closing the connection, specifying a new URL for the client to connect to. The following reconnect flow will ensure that no messages are dropped in the process. The message includes... Okay, so we probably need to actually decode a... Yeah, I think the first thing we're going to want to decode here is probably the reconnect. So we will do defen. Message reconnect. Yeah, this seems like a good one. And the type is a reconnect type. So we have that. So we can probably just look at the payload for this then. A reconnect message is sent if the edge server that the client is connected to needs to be swapped. This message is sent 30 seconds prior to closing the connection, specifying a new URL for the client to connect to. Following the reconnect flow will ensure no messages are dropped in the process. This message includes a URL in the reconnect URL field that you should immediately use to create a new connection. The connection will include the same subscriptions that the old connection had. You should not close the old connection until you receive a welcome message on the new connection. Old connection receives events up until you connect to the new URL and receive the welcome message. Okay, so for this, we would want to define a reconnect. So I think the first thing, or the main thing that we're going to need to look at for this then is just, can we let, not cat, let, oh, we're doing root. Oh, doing root now. We're going root mode. Oh, the plot thickets. The plot thickets here. Oh God. Oh, this is amazing to bear witness to. uh, okay. We are. What are we looking at? Let's see. I think we just want to go ahead and shadow M here. So let M. Can we parse string? What are we sending out from decode event? Okay. It looks like we are sending out a string. Parse string M, true. And what does parse string do here? This is from Cheshire. Closure Cheshire. Parse string true just maps it. Okay, so it just defines a map. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, we'll just let M be M. I think the next thing that we kind of immediately want to define is probably the payload, so... I don't think we need the payload, actually. I think we just need that session, so we'll just do session get and payload. And then we need the, because this one's not the welcome message, right? This one is the reconnect. So I think we just need the reconnect URL from this one. So we will get the URL will be just a simple get reconnect URL, and this will be from session. Oh, oops, yeah, I have to put session here. It's so over for me. Oh no. Oh, terrifying things are unfolding. This is terrifying things. URL. So I think that this will be a nice way to test this. So let's go ahead and copy that. Let's. Did we socks? Do we have socks? Can we just def x and then we will call it this. Oh, there's a lot. Okay. Hello, can I string? Can I string, please? Give string. Thank you. Oh, these parts are gonna be somewhat arduous. Alright. Give. I wonder if it would just be possible to... Can I just, will this possibly work whatsoever? Invalid number. Okay, this does not work whatsoever. Alright, here we go. So do we string? We string? Okay, thank God. That was horrifying. Let's see. Can we bugsocks.core.message reconnect x? Error. Okay. Why do we error? What if we strip one layer of these? Okay, that looks more like a message. Okay, this seems like it works. This seems to pull out the eventsub.twitch.tv. Okay, cool. So we have that. So what do we do with this? What do we do with this? I think with this, all that we're going to do is head on to connect event sub again. And we have to use this new URL. But now we run into a bit of a problem here, where by defining this, we run into the problem of a double subscription, which we need to avoid. So I think that what we should do here is probably do a like variadic like argument style. I think we can just do and optional. So I think that, yeah, in Clojure, these would be is first connect. Expects to, oh, do we have to do, okay, there we go, there we go. That means parse welcome as well is going to need a I think that for these we would just pass the, for that first, or that would just be like defn y z and p if p:3, else we would just do :c. Right, so if we call it like this, it would just be YZ is sad, and then this is happy. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we can just use an if statement on this, which is nice. Alright, here we go, here we go. I think this is something that we're going to want to have as well as a first subscription, because based on this, if I remember, it says, yeah, if we go to the top.
Meteor happens.
Oh, that terrified me. Oh, I forgot I had that. Is it at least somewhat quieter now? How's the event sub? Meteor happens. A little distracted here. Oh no, you're good. I've been indulging in the
Meteor happens.
I've been indulging in the drama that's been unfolding in chat with commands. Today is mostly a forming the JSON parser for it. This is kind of like the JSON parser portion of it, because I can connect and everything. The issue is once I connect, I'm eternally trapped in not being able to do anything except read that connection. Like I cannot subscribe to any new events or etc. with reasonable ease, which is sad to some degree. So it's kind of fixing that out, which I would say the main thing is, yeah, we have 10 seconds from the time we receive this welcome message to describe an event, subscribe, unless otherwise specified when connecting. If you don't subscribe in this time, the server closes connection. So I don't want to have it like race against the clock. So I think that what we have to do is ID and then create kind of like a wrapper here. So like event fn let's see, if we parse the welcome message, oh, this is gonna make it somewhat tricky. This is gonna make it just a little bit tricky because we're going to need to pass this to. Well, if we store it in welcome ID, wait, this might actually be the way to go. This might actually be. We're gonna have to get a little bit non-functional, which is somewhat, you know, so it goes, I guess. So it goes. So it goes. So I think here what we want to go ahead and specify as well is going to be our first event. And yeah, this will just go ahead and execute that. So for parse welcome, actually, can we have multiple var args here? Can we? Is this a thing that we can do? Is this a thing that do you occur? Damn. Okay. Oh, that's what we could do. Wait. Okay, here we go. So this just needs to be any value, any non-nil value. So if we just pass it like this, we can just pass the event here as like an optional argument. So if we do that, we can do parse welcome first connect. Do we really not use the metadata? Let's get it out of here. Let's get it out of here. Let's get it out of here. Okay, here we go. But this needs to go to decode event, so we're in the wrong function for that. Okay. There. Okay, it's coming together. It's coming together. So I think here, parse welcome. I feel like this could be made a little bit nicer looking. Let's see. So if we look at the welcome message really quick, probably figure out a nicer way to form this. So first we do need to go ahead and parse that string and extract the metadata from there. And then we use the message, the message, no, message ID. We should do conditionals here. That's probably the case. All right, this will make it a little bit nicer. Can we go ahead and get rid of all of this? Thank you. Wait, what? Oh, opening with no closing. I remember that Okay, yeah, it is weird. Fuck. Okay, okay, I do remember this. I do remember this. The bane of my existence with Clojure. Clojure con. Why are you different from the conditional in every other list? Okay, why are you this way? I don't appreciate this. This is unfortunate. This is very unfortunate. So I guess that what we're going to do is we have this let statement actually as a do statement. So can we put this on its own line so that it gets a little less out of hand? Can we there? Can we there? Thank you. Thank you. Um oh, that's rather unwieldy. That might be too unwieldy. Having it on one big old line like that. There we go. All right. Yeah, let ID parse welcome MP. So let's see. And then I think for this, so if um, if first connect, we want to go ahead and subscribe first event. Yeah, subscribe first event, first connect. Can we move you down there? Thank you. Otherwise, honestly, we can probably just return nil. Yeah. And then I think the next one that we have is what are we receiving as the metadata for the reconnect again? Let's see. The keep alive message messages indicate that the WebSocket connection is healthy. The server sends this message if Twitch doesn't deliver an event notification within keep alive timeout seconds. If your client doesn't receive an event or a keep alive message for longer than keep alive timeout seconds, you should assume the connection is lost and reconnect to the server and resubscribe to the events. The keep alive timer is reset with each notification or keep alive message. Okay, so we don't have to actually do anything with that. And then I think that ping, I think ping is just handled, so we're good there. Notification message, you're a terrifying thing. You're a terrifying thing. We will touch you shortly. Yeah, because that's the next thing that we'll need to process. But I need reconnect. Here we go. All right, so let's see. So I feel like there's something else we need to do right here. Oh, we need to redefine this. Okay, okay, that, yeah. Can I put you right there? You seem like you make a bit more sense right there. Welcome ID, Adam, no. So, I was like, I know I'm missing something, so if we get this, we want to go ahead and do. Can we set, do we want to set the internal? Let's see. So if we like def x and we define it as Atom1, okay, and then we get that, and we can dereference it. No, we can dereference it. Oh, okay, no quotes or no parentheses. So if we set, do we reset or do we set? That's the one I always get mixed up on. Set x2. Invalid target. Okay. Oh, can I not two S's? Okay, so we can just call reset. That's the one that we want to call, I believe. Alright, let's see. So reset X. Atoms are really cool in Clojure. That I guess it makes it technically not purely functional, but this is it's a rather nice setup for like if you do have to mutate a variable, which I guess all languages, like functional languages, eventually do have like a way that you can do something a little bit non-functionally. Yeah, so it goes. So it goes if you have to like actually do anything. I don't think I ever got to that point in Haskell. I was just reading from JSON, and that was like a JSON file is my mutable variable, I guess. Which so it goes. ID. Yeah, it was life finds a way. This is really the case. This really is how it goes. Can we welcome ID? Thank you, Bug Socks. Thank you, Bug Socks. Yeah, I think Clojure has like Clojure Atoms, and then there are a couple of others, but Atoms are the one that I use mostly. Oh, swap is what they use. Okay. But that's for functional. But yeah, we have Atom. We have agents. Agents were the other one. Agents are the other, which these seem quite cool. They're like more advanced atoms for, I think it's for doing like async work. Yeah, for like async mutation. I really don't work with this, or I haven't like worked with this yet, so I haven't had to learn this part. But it's kind of nice to have these. It is nice to have these. ClojureScript is full. Like ClojureScript code looks kind of fucked up whenever I look at it. I'm just like, this is so wild. Like, and maybe it's just because I'm reeling off the end of this with the site. Can we go to ClojureScript? Can we go here? Okay. Thank you. Oh, women. Yeah, shout out to women. Shout out to women. Actually, yes, I did. We should shout out women. Yes. Shout out to women. Thank you, women. But yeah, ClojureScript gets rather messed up. Can get rather messed up looking, but a lot of it is, I think, atomic mutation, which, you know, you do what you must. You do what you must, as they say. I could probably make this look a bit better, but I was rushing it somewhat. There should be no bash in the way of the guy in namespaces now. Oh, this is exciting. So yeah, I think we want to reset. And for the next one, the next thing that we want is Can we go back? Can we take a look at the reconnect message type is session reconnect? So get M message. M metadata, not me. Metadata. M metadata. Session reconnect. And then what do we want to do in this case? What do we want to do in this case? I'm thinking that what has to go on is yeah, I think that we can just go ahead and throw the whole message there. We'll probably want to redefine part, so I'm gonna actually put a to-do right here really quick. Yeah, move to let the parse welcome. That's just gonna make it a little bit easier to read. Okay. So yeah, for this, honestly, all we have to do is message reconnect, and then oh, this is going to be somewhat challenging. Oh, because it reads it in order. Oh, this is going to be a bit because that depends on connect event sub, which depends on I think if we just move those around, we'll figure it out. It's only 3. It's only 3. This shall be figured out. Let's see. Worst comes to worst, I guess that we can just oh, salad for us. Thank you for the raid. Thank you. And welcome in raiders. Can we say we welcome in. Well, shout out as well to salad for us. You missed it. We had just shouted out women. We are in a post woman area. But anyway, hello raiders as well. I am Big Book of yes, we love women here. We are shout out to women. This is hello Crazy Kitty, welcome. Hello youngest station. Welcome in first time chatter, youngest station. Well, yeah, this is I am Big Book of Bug. I am a bug on the screen, and I am doing things in the category of software and game development, as they say. Yes, I'm just a bug, nothing more. There is some more. There are we have commands. We have you can do hat, Oh, meteor happened. Welcome in Dangtown Bunny. Oh, hell yeah. Enjoy.
Meteor happens. Meteor happens.
We can do hat. Yeah, we can do hat. It is, this is the welcome to the bug zone. And yeah, I don't know if you like bugs. Thank you for the follow Danktown Bunny as well. If you like bugs, if you like zones, if you like zones and bugs, we have do we have did I break? Oh, I did break. I broke the Discord, but we have connections, we have locations, and we do have Joel. we have Joel ASCII style, but we do have Joel classic style as well. Just in a terminal that takes everything up and then runs away and dies. I guess in the abyss of screen locations. You know, there's a few different ones. There is T/Joel, which is this Joel. There's the morph. There's iteration one of Joel. So there were 3 generations of like Joel rendering that occurred over the course of these past like 48 hours. I think this was first iteration. Was this one? Yeah, this was first iteration, and I was like, this is rather fucked up looking. Like his past lingers behind him, which is what kind of like what the hell type situation. And then we had oh, that's just that again. Oh god, it sticks with me. It sticks with me in my mind. But we did get a nice fish in the prompt. Then we had iteration 2. And then we just had what if I made it in ASCII, because I found out about can we ASCII, okay, where do you live? ASCII me. Yes, this is it. This is it. I found out about this. And found it has this dependency. I'm sad that they do not show what they do, or they do not show the anime people and or creatures and or etc. They do not have examples, but they did lead to this. And I was like, what if we put Joel in this? And now we have ASCII Joel. We have, which this actually, okay, so this is actually inspired by Emacs Moe theme. Wait, what? Oh, I already looked this up. Okay, this is actually inspired by the fact that we have, if we go here to image to text, joel.gif. And I was like, this must exist, surely. I kind of like this one. I think this one's cute, but it doesn't really spin. It just kind of blinks like Christmas style. It's this is perhaps a seasonal Joel. Like, 'tis the season to be joling, as they say. This is how I feel about this one in particular. But yeah, today we are working on making event sub do the thing, the first steps toward it, at least making it do the thing, all using the power of Lisp on the JVM, also known as Clojure, also known as somewhat frustrating compared to normal Lisp. But yeah, I like Lisp. That is my. You will certainly not regret doing programming in Steelbank Common Lisp. Can we not connect event sub? Can we just? This is quite horrible. This is kind of. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? We're kind of stuck in a situation of hell right now. Perhaps someone else has come here further. The issue here is that Clojure reads all of the functions kind of like in order, one after the other style. And this function depends on this function, which depends on this function, which depends on this function. So we have a bit of a hell-based situation right here, which I think can be circumscribed so much by. But welcome Brighter Malfon. Welcome. Hello, Brighter Malfon. Welcome. I hope you're well. I hope you're doing fantastic. Shout out Bald. Yes. Oh wave. Mayfon. Not Malfon, but Mayfon. Yes. Although I think we do have. Can I say '07 Malphon?
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
Yes, I can. Okay, perfect. All right. And say indeed. Well, yeah. Should I actually now that I can is the shout out? Shout out to Brighter Malphon. Shout out to Brighter Malphon. Great, hilarious streamer. One of the funniest out there. One of the most humorous out there. Great gamer. um, but yes, we are okay. We are moe theme.l. Okay, but it looks quite nice, right? I'm going to drag you to Wormhood. Oh no, this do you know that? Do you know the secret word? Oh God. Oh yeah. Oh, there's actually power in this now. The secret of the secret. It's going to be A squared knows it. A squared has the grand title of Wormbane now, which is, you know, it sounds cool. It sounded really cool in my head. I'm like, this is gonna sound so badass. Wormbane, yes, Wormbane, the the worm wrangler to some degree. You know, but we're kind of in a post worm era. You know, we're in like the age of redemption. Bane of Worms enhancement should be an item in D&D. This would actually be so. I think. I'm sort of a massacre girl. If she didn't turn into a massacre worm, this is yeah, this is quite wild. You know, H Guard, she's just like amassing like power. It's like if you think about, I think potentially like, so we have, we do not live like in the world of fantasy, right? We live in the world of technology, but we are still haunted by ideas of, what is it they say? No magic system technology. No magic system tech. This no. Where can I have quote? Can I have quote? Any good, yeah, any sufficiently advanced, here we go, any sufficiently advanced magic or any sufficient, yeah, here, this yes, in the context of this A squared, you're like a lich who is a lich who is, you know, amassing the power of the undead, but instead it is executing I ostensibly, at least from what I can see, executing commands within the Twitch chat. Like, you know, when you think about it, it's like computer within computer, like to some degree, like that movie, like Inception, but with dreams. Yes, we shout out to Bins, shout out to Boot, shout out to Dev, shout out to etc, shout out to Home, shout out to Lib, shout out to Lib64. The best part is this isn't the first time I've done. Okay, see, this is more terrifying. Yeah, no, this is quite horrifying. And now that I think about it, but this time it's intentional. Terrifying. This is premonitions of something powerful. Prod RCE arc. Were you? I was not. I am a latecomer to this. I am a latecomer to this world, as they say. I am. I was on Twitch, I think, back in like 2022, and then I just kind of forgot for like 2 years, and then I was like, wait, this exists. I think so. My old account. I wonder if we have it. I don't know how to get into it. Is the issue. Do we live here? Do we live here? I should probably get the recovery password for this so I can possibly get rid of it at some point. Alright, I think it's here. Yes. Yeah, this was oh god, yeah, about Big Bug Streams Megaman, nothing else. the lore. So it goes. But 1, 2, 3. A worm was here. A worm, terrifying. Oh, the computer is speaking about worms now. Okay. How do we escape hell? Can we do a simple closure? Oh, what are these called? Function, not function primitives. These are the, I know them in C. What do we call these? Is it forward declaration? Is this it? Will this work? I think it's declare. No matching. Okay. Can we just put this right here? Oh wait, are we out of hell with this? Oh no, it's just because I didn't have this anymore. So message reconnect. All right. Ah, there we go. All right, that's hell. Perfect. So I wonder if we can just, I think it's forward declare. So if we, will this work? All right. Fingers crossed. Can we go into bugsocks.core.message reconnect? Do you see args? Okay, wait. So I think we just have to declare it right there. All right, now we are, as they say, cooking. So we have our reconnect logic. I wonder, let's see. A revocation message is sent if Twitch revokes a subscription. The subscription object's type field identifies the subscription that was revoked, and the status field identifies the reason why it was revoked. Twitch revokes your subscription in the following cases. If the user no longer exists, the user revoked authorization token, and that subscription relied on you receive this message once and then no longer receive the message from the Twitch reserves the right to revoke a subscription at any time. I don't think we should care about that. Twitch sends a close frame when it closes the connection. The following data lists the reasons for closing the connection. So I think it's event time. I think we can do connect first event now, and then really it just sort of becomes a question of what event are we going to connect to. Twitch does like to randomly close connections. This sounds classic. Oh, that's what we have to do. The notification message. This is it. We have Well, we have multiple of these. I think for the first one, let's just do the, hype train. Oh, Brian, oh my god, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Holy, thank you. Okay, actual shout out to Ryder Ralphon as well. I bit to it and I forgot that I forget whenever the thing, cools down as they say. But thank you, thank you. This does quite mean a lot. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Words.
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
Not a furry yiff lover. I am replying to Ace Squared. Hello. Not a furry yiff lover. Welcome in. But yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. The bald bit was so funny. Oh, it works with Lala. It does work with Lala as well. You and Lala, I think, are both. Like if we do.
I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal. I'm just okay being bald. It's not really that big of a deal.
Like bound together in the realm of the emboldened. Yes. But yes, again, thank you. Okay. We have things. We have messages. I don't think that we're going to care about this right now. We can probably care about this shortly. So I think for our first event, we just want to connect to customer reward redemption. This seems like a thing. And we have auth to get client ID. We have the builder, which takes the broadcaster ID and the session ID. Oh wait, this is going to be a bit of a challenge because we need those. Not escaping in JSON. YDWC. The Twitch JSON has quite mismatched. This is powerful. This is. I too did not escape in JSON. This was rather. Can we just make our first event? Go ahead and be the sub channel point redemption. I think at least for this test. So let's go ahead and let's mark this out. There we go. And let's put that right there. Can we there? That's such a fucked up function name. Oh my god. Sub channel points custom reward redemption, and then we need the broadcaster ID and the session ID. So I'm guessing for this, did I save this? This is the real question. Do we potentially have this and say if we go to auth, do we have broadcaster ID? We don't. Okay, so we're gonna need a way to get the broadcaster ID. Can I just flatten you out right there? Yeah, this seems about right. So I guess in this case, what we actually have to do is go here, and then we go to event sub. Okay. And then we get the ID. Can I have Twitch API overview? Can I have ID please? Can I have ID? Hype chest open. What whoa. What is this? Wait, this thing is so cute. Choo choo? Wait, what? Oh, this thing is cute. What the hell? Oh, I do love this. He says choo choo. Wait, what? Yes, hype chest, is pretty hype. Wish the estrogen worked better. Me when I ponder. Pondering. Like, who up pondering they chest? You know, as they say, this is rather exciting. This is rather exciting. It is, you know, the here and now is quite the world. Where do we have getting a poll? There we go. So we have to. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So that's off to a 1. Can I know my ID? Can we next? Getting started, that's what I needed. Okay. Why was it hidden? OSRMRF slash. You forgot. Yeah, you forgot the no preserve root, as they say. Any new Linux has that enabled. I've once RMRF'd on a reboot trying to build something on my machine. It was kind of sad. It unmounted my home right beforehand, which I appreciate, but like I was trying to do an update on my computer, and I suddenly was like, why is nothing working? Why is it all breaking in front of me? And turns out I had deleted my root. I had deleted my boot sector. I had deleted everything but my home folder. It was kind of wild. It was kind of wild. Let's see. So I think, yeah, so this is off to a for the so I think we just need to do get client token. Okay. Make your first call. All right, here we go. So this should just go ahead and give my, yeah, data right here. Can we do defn get account info? Yeah, we'll just call it that for right now. I don't think we're going to take any arguments here. I think all that we need to do is do a simple HC get request. Okay, get request. Can we take this? I probably want to take the user, actually, now that I think about it. So can we user? There. And then we'll just turn this into string style. Login equals that plus and then we have, yeah, OAuth token will just be the auth slash, I think for this one we're doing get client token, is that it? Yeah, auth slash get client token, this seems about right. But we're doing auth tour right here, which is yeah, I think we're doing auth tour on the right spot. Okay, perfect. Yeah, this all looks good. This all looks good. And then the other thing that we're just passing is the client ID header. So headers, client ID, auth slash do we want get client ID? Yeah, that seems about right. Mrow. There's so many mrows. Mrow indeed, you know. We live in a post-worm society, and a currently mrow society, I guess. Was this what we decided? Was this how it was determined? If we go to bug blog, if we go here to February, double mrow, exciting. Yeah, we are now post-worm society. What does it mean to be post-worm? It means mrow. It was the determination, I guess. Oh, hello, Joel. Still spinning, I see. Oh, I fucking killed him. Oh no, he's fucking dead. There. Post-worm is when everything is bug. Yes, but cats are bugs. As has been decided, you know, cats are bugs. So, cats are bugs. We are to mrow is to be a bug, as they say. To mrow is to be a bug. You know, we are living the high life. Living the high life now. What are we sending? Is this well, we're doing a GET request, so we actually don't have to worry about the about what we're sending. We just have to worry about what we are posting, I guess. Or not posting. Oh, thank you for the follow, Foss Unleashed, and welcome. Welcome and thank you for the follow. Hello, yes, thank you. We are currently in the depths of closure. How do get requests? So let's see. OS touch mrow. OS cat mrow. Changing ownership of mrow. Invalid argument. This is... So what do we do for get? can we just, do we have to pass anything else? Potentially no? Potentially no. I'm going to say no. This seems like a solid no. Hopefully this does not. Oh, unable to in this context. We'll just mark this as a to do. So to do. All right. Are you able to now? Okay, perfect. You are indeed able to. Can we bug socks? Can we bug socks? Can we get account? Can I spell? That's the real question. Get account info. All right. Get account info. Big Book of Bug. Okay, so we do get the account info. Hell yeah, hell yeah. So I think that all we need to do then is, if we wrap this up, we can just go ahead and get the body of this. Yeah, this seems like the way. This seems like the way. So get the body. Can we try that again? Bug socks. Get account info. Big Book of Bug. Okay, that's my ID. That's my ID. So I think we can just go ahead and rip that out. Rip that out. But let's go ahead and just do it a little bit raw style right now. Oh, what the hell? No, give to me. Give to me. Can we go into to do? Here we go. And we'll just say fix me right here. And I think all of these take a initial ID and then they take a session ID, so we should be able to yeah, I think that we can just go ahead. Well, we'll fix that later. Alright, let's see if we can go ahead and connect to the, No, I think that we can just, let's put that right there. Oh, well, this is a bit of a pickle. Yeah, we're gonna have to call it in this. So we'll just pass a yes to first connect. So let's see if this works. Can I do this in a terminal? Can I do this in a terminal? can we go to depths? Can we go to depths.edn right here? Can we bugsox core? How do I do this in the bug site? So if we go to .org, if we hop into depths right here, right. So yeah, I think we'll define a bit of a dummy main right now so that we can run this from a terminal. So let's go ahead and do that. So def dash main and it is just going to be connect event sub true. Oh, def in there. I think that should be everything. Where do we call first? So we call it here. Yeah, I think that we can just go ahead and start subscribing to things. Well, hold on. This might be the last impediment. We'll put one more fix me right here. Can we does this, oh hello Christmas Joel. Can we cd into documents? Can we go to bugsox? Can we clj x run? Jolly Joel indeed. Jolly Joel. You know, 'tis the season to be joling, as I like to say, failed to load. Wrong number of arguments passed to bugsox.core. Wrong number of arguments passed to bugsox.core. Main function. Oh, yeah, because it needs and args. Okay. Are we go? No? We're not writing anything. Okay. What happens if we do it in here? Do we just print the message, I'm assuming, would be the way to go. Okay, we have it set to print line, so something is going amiss in here. So if we just do oh no, now we get it? Oh, it's a single. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're going. Okay, we are connected. Are you okay with us being silly with Xor's OS? Oh, of course I am. It's exciting. It's exciting to watch. It's exciting. I don't know. I had mentioned this. I feel like it's like seeing an event. You know, it's like seeing history unfold, or history to me, excitement to me unfold within my presence. If anything, I feel honored. Okay, I will not ramble any further, but yes, if anything, I feel honored to some degree to bear witness to this, as they say. What event did we subscribe to? Custom reward redemption. So what happens if I colon 3? What happens if I colon 3? Do we get something? We do not. Is it just silently hanging? This might be the case. Or, oh, you're talking about the computer, I guess. Can we just do... Let's do something. Let's do get chat message. What does it with sub-channel chat message? Can we main? Oh, okay, so the chat message works. Okay, that's rather weird. Okay, cool. So we are subscribed. We are subscribed to some degree. Oh, this is sick. Now can we do sub-channel custom reward redemption? Could I think from here? But with any directory, nobody is fucked. Okay. Bugsocks.core/ sub channel custom reward redemption. Nil ID in this context. Yes, I need the session ID. Or the welcome ID, as they say. I need the Bugsocks welcome ID, so bugsocks/core or .core/ can I welcome ID there. Oh god. Oh, this is some degree of the rust. It keeps moving. Stay still. Thank you. Error? Error? Oh. Wait, where'd you go? Oh no, this is bad. I lost my... Oh, we are way at the top. Oh god, it keeps going. Okay, quick. We would just... And then we need the ID, so can I please stay in one place, please do. Okay, it is not complying. Okay. Welcome. We need to extract the value from this. No? Wait. Okay, Adam? Wait, what? Wait, are we nesting the atom? No? Okay. No, we are. Oh, this is fucked. Oh, this is fucked. Oh, this is... Wait, this is fucked. Kill. Die. 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 Oh no, oh no, this is... Why are we nesting the atom? Can we die? Can we die? Cider... yes. Okay. Is it dead? Is it dead? Is it dead? Okay. How did... Oh, it's still going. Oh, I think we have to buffer delete. Oh god. Herb indeed. Oh, I can see it here. This is the new chat. We're just gonna read chat through the JSON. Yes, kill. Okay, how did... Wait. What did I do wrong on this? That... Oh, not closure script. Quit. Cider... Closure. Is it because we're calling reset? Like, what the hell? What the hell? Okay, so that's nesting it. Wait. Do I call reset vowels? Is this the way? No? Do I call reset x to just a raw 2? Is this it? Is this it? Are we cooking? Okay. The hell has been resolved to some degree. Where... Okay. Perhaps there was too rash with the calls for death were a little too hasty. We will live again. We will live again. This time perhaps we can live in the terminal even. Oh, we cannot. Can we... bug.snot core / main. Not found. Okay. I guess we're going back to cider. Okay, there we go. So can we do bugzone.core / subscribe points channel reward redemption. That is a mouthful. That is a mouthful. Can we get the welcome ID? Are we still fucked? Wait, are we still fucked?
Meteor happens. Meteor happens.
Might be. Oh, I know the issue. Let's see. At least 15 seconds. Fortune. You may rely on it. It is decidedly so. Oh, we have secret fortunes. We have secret fortunes occurring. Where do we live? Where do we live? Give me original function. Give me the not that. Give me redemption. Quite literally give me redemption, please. What if we deref? Unauthorized. Oh no, this is unauthorized. Why am I unauthorized? What the freak? Token expired. You know, this might. I believe I had foreseen this. Let me see what's going on in this code. Because that's the builder. Ah, okay. Token. Empty. Ah. All right, there we go. There we go. No OAuth token. I think we just need to implement that. Why is that not implemented? This, I guess, the can we just get event sub token? Bad request. Oh, now we have more scary. Let's see. The session field is required for the WebSocket transport method. What are we missing? Are we missing version? No? Are we... The transport field is required. Let's look at the builder for this. Do we have the string? Oh, good night, XR Xavier. I wish you a well slumber. I wish you well in your slumber. I think we are close to the wrapping up point on this end as well. Okay. Sub channel. Can I get the reference? Bad request status 400. The session field is required if the WebSocket, or if you specify the WebSocket transport method. Do we not have the session field? We do have that. Nil. Okay, that might be the problem. That might be the problem. Still no. Alright, third time's the charm of dead buffer. Okay. Here we go. Perhaps if we call set instead of reset, you know, perhaps this will work, so. Why are we setting this to nil? Why are we setting this to nil? This is horrifying to some degree. Not really horrifying, but I wonder, yeah, what is... I had too much sugar and now my head hurts. Oh no, this is, oh, this is unfortunate. I apologize. You're alone not in the struggle. This happens to me frequently. So we define an X, and then we do, what do we call, defeated by my hubris. So it goes. If we do this and we do new value of 2, and we do we reset vals? Is this the way? I think I'm like at a spoonful of sugar weekly when I feel like adding it to my coffee. You see, whenever it comes to, I guess, sugary things, I feel like, for me, I'm like a picky eater to some degree. And there aren't a lot of sugary things I do like, but whenever I do like something that's like really sweet, I feel somewhat ravenous about its nature. And afterward I'm like, this is a feeling of deep stomach pain. And for me, it is dark chocolate. If I'm being completely honest, that doesn't have a lot of sugar, but dark chocolate is one sweet or dessert style thing. The other is gummy worms. Gummy worms are, I will consume them like there's no tomorrow, and then afterward, sour gummy worms. Let's freaking go. Indeed, gummy gummy worms. That's what we do here. We eat the worms. They are a product for consumption. You know, they say there's no ethical consumption under capitalism. Have they ever considered the consumption of worm? I think not. This is indeed the case. Yes. It's quite the killer combo. Do we subscribe? Channel points, custom redemption. we're kind of at what, fourth times the charm now, right? A billionth times the charm. A billionth times the charm. I believe this is. Oh, that's all the way at the top. We don't want to go there. That is where we shall meet our doom. I need this to work. My own hubris needs this to work. Did we do the thing? Did we do the redeem? I can only redeem once a day. Can I add? Can I read from a page from the unofficial Elder Scrolls wiki? Did we get redeemed? We did. Okay. Wait. We got redeemed. All right. Let's freaking go. What the hell? Can I kill? Can I kill? All right. Let's freaking go. We have redeemed. All right. Big Book of Bug has redeemed. Read a page from the UESP. So, I guess that's our send off. So like let's hit him with the Morrowind. I guess parsing these are next. Can we take a look at kind of the contents of the redeem? Can you quit processing, Jason? Let's freaking bug. You know let's freaking bug indeed. Let's freaking bug indeed. Can we Here we go. Event. Award. Big ass name. Read a page from the UESP. Prompt. If you have one you'd like me to read, I'll read that one. Otherwise, I'll pick a random one. :3. Cost 5555. Redeemed at status unfulfilled. Let's see. ID again. User input. Wait, what happens if I put in user input? This is. Can we perhaps do something directly with this user input? Because this would be fun. Arbitrary command execution. Not really. Not arbitrary command execution, but arbitrary line addition. Can we do can we row on the user input? We can. Okay, we can capture rowing. We can row within our own. Aha. The plans are coming together. Bug hell shall be real, but we do have Testament indeed. This is. Do I still have Testament? Oh, Testament is dead. I forgot. It died. It died today. Perhaps we should add this back. It's a bit of a classic. Can we go to Discord? Can we Testament? And can we just hit him with the... It worked? It worked? We do have a guy, though. Such a glorious hashtag, Joel. Thank you. It is indeed. I want to do something beyond a simple "it worked" with the guy. I think this would be exciting. Begin to integrate it somehow. I don't think that. Did we not conquer Sixel? Oh, we did conquer Sixel to some degree. We do have. Wait, you know what would this? Hold on, this deserves a spot in the .org. I have an idea. Guy equals. Perhaps not Sixel, but we did conquer Sixel to some degree. It's just that it's kind of fucked up. If you do want to see the emoji for automated messages deserves a spot in the org. This is indeed the case. This actually can just be added right now. I believe this can be added right now. Yes, it can. You have enough projects on your plate already. Indeed. But this, I'll go through and add that. Yeah. So, emoji for bot. But here's something I was thinking. What if guy equals guy in the chat. ASCII style. Guy in the chat. ASCII style. You know, shout out guy. Shout out, you know, ASCII guy. I think this would be it would be message bound to some degree. Unfortunately I'm limited by the shout out women. We did shout out women already. Who should we shout out? We should do one last shout out. Let's shout out Kensky Unplugged as well. Tui shenanigans other. It's Tui shenanigans otherwise. And you see the true cursive, the true oh, I made a typo. Oh, this is embarrassing. Kensky Unplugged. Not off Tui. This exists. I believe this exists. This is Authenticator Tui made in Rust. Auth Tui is fucking real. Auth Tui is fucking real. Okay, but yes, once more thank all for out here. I do want to I shall plug there's Discord and there is IRC existence. If you ever want to hang out, if you ever want to connive with us, you know, I cannot thank you. We are going to do one last thing and then raid out. I did redeem the Elder Scrolls message, so we'll hit him with a thank you for redemption art. Oh, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. This was just can we connect. Next we connect. Next we connect, and then post connection. Then post connection, we create bug hell. This is the ultimate. This is the final point of the redemption arc. You know, perhaps there is no redemption because it ends with bug hell, but there might be something after. All I can say there is keep your eyes peeled for the end of the month. You know, things happen in the dark corners of the world. Thank you, Sandcork, for the follow. Thank you, and welcome. We are follower goal met 90 out of. Thank you for meeting follower goal. I don't know if it says that in the thingy at the top of the chat, but I'm assuming so. There's a lot of batters. There's a lot of batters in here. Anyway, before we're going to raid out somewhere into the distance, but before we do, we are going.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come. Come and look upon the heart and a Kulakan.
We are going to read. Come there. Indeed, this is one of two. This is one of. Oh, it's a rather short one. This is nice. Can you? Okay. Yeah. Okay. There's that one. There's also if you just do
A new hand touches the
Elder.
beacon.
This is very much, I think, at this point, like this is like a sound effect stream. This is MPV doing whatever it wants in my computer type situation. But what do we have? It's a short one. Okay, thank God. All right, sound effect stream. I can't. There's quite a few, and there's a new one that got added today, but it has not been triggered. Perhaps it will be if, you know, it is for the, it is our line of defense in the. That would be nice. Shout out to Mushroom. Shout out to Mushroom Girls. Shout out to Mushroom Girls, but shout out to Mushroom Girl Caverns, indeed. But no, there is a new one. It is a new sound. It is the somewhat playful, I would say, or definitely playful, first line of defense in the so-called editor wars, inspired from interactions in a previous episode of the Bug Zone. But it is a humorous and lighthearted. It is a humorous and lighthearted one. But you good people know where I stand on this. Where does Vivek stand on the Vim versus Emacs war? Let us find out. Scripture of the Wheel first. The spokes are the 8 components of chaos, as yet solidified by the law of time, static change, if you will, something the lizard gods refer to as the striking. That is the reptile wheel, coiled, potential, ever preamble to never action. Second, they are the lent bones of the Aedra, the 8 gift limbs to Sithis, the wet earth of the new star, our home. Outside them is the Arbus, and not within, like most things, inexplicable. It is a circle. Circles are confused serpents, striking and striking, and never given leave to bite. The Aedra would have you believe different, but they were givers before liars. Lies have turned them into biters. Their teeth are proselytizers. To convert is to place oneself in the mouth of falsehood. Even to propitiate is to be swallowed. Third, the enlightened are those uneaten by the world. Well, we did disclose that worms get eaten, so I guess we can say that worms are unenlightened. Is this the way? I need to add more of these. There's like nothing but lessons of Vivek in there right now because they're numeric, so it's easy. Fourth, the space between the gift limbs under 16, the signal shapes of the demon princedoms. It is the key and the lock, the Ceres and the Manticore. Fifth, look at the Majesty sideways, and all you see is the tower which our ancestors made idols from. Look at its center, and all you see is the begotten whole, second serpent, womb ready for the right reaching, extract and without enhancement. What? 6. The heart of the second serpent holds the secret triangular gate. 7. Look at the secret triangular gate sideways, and you see the secret tower. 8. The secret tower is in the shape of the only name of God, I. The ending of the world is Alm Sivi. Thank you, Vivek. Worm wheels, serpents, the begotten whole, it's quite the tale. That's a thing. Alm Sivi intervention in the chat. They should allow one to they should allow the streamer to the one conducting the stream to transport. I believe that's called a raid, actually, transporting chatters into from one stream into the other. So, this perhaps is an CVC intervention of sorts. You're being transported forth elsewhere. I can't, if I did already mention these. I do apologize for badgering it a second time, but we are at the invention, yes, it is the CV intervention. We are about to conduct in it ourselves, which means, where are we going? Who is in the world of the living? Who lives and who go? For where do we go? Let's see. Let us investigate. I believe that this would be a nice place to go. Oh, I am blinded by my. Why is? Give me. Okay, I believe that we shall go say hi to Little Witch Oz. We shall go there and we shall say hello. We shall bug out there, as they say. We will be bugging out that way. Wait, did it not do the thing? Oh God! Oh, this is. I clicked all the buttons. Okay, there. All right. And again, thank you, everybody. Yeah, thank you for hanging out. And bye. I wish you all well. I shall meet you there.
Okay, so it looks like it